So it's an absolute glorious day today. We've just come off the Liveaboard and we're at the Surin Islands. I do believe you can get boats over here and you can stay on the island. So come and join me for a little walk through. Over the last few years they built this jetty. It's currently high tide. Let's go see what we can find. I think it's supposed to be world famous for the kookaburra bird or something. Which basically means fat chicken as far as someone has told me. The water is crystal clear. It's just blue all the way. This is just a little piece of paradise. Let's go and explore. I know you can, because I have done it before. You can actually walk all the way around the headland here to the other beach on the other side, but with it being high tide, you can't at the moment. That's just beautiful. There we go, so just go inland here, and there's a bar, a shop, restaurant, and a beach just through to the other side. Just gonna go for a little explore. These are long sail boats powered by a very noisy diesel engine. Wouldn't want to go on a long trip on one of these. I might end up a bit deaf. There's plenty of stuff living in the trees here, and I believe there are monkeys. If anyone knows what these represent, do put it in the comments below. Okay. I'm going to ask, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. If I don't ask, no one does, but when I do ask, people start to subscribe, and it really does boost my little channel, helps it grow. So if you want to do me a favour, it's completely free. Give the video a like, subscribe, and just follow for more content as I take you on little tours about my travels. I'm going to take you through the tourist a bit first, I'm going to walk through. So if you're staying on the island, these are your kind of facilities. You are in a national park, so you would pay a park fee if you are staying here. I've come here on a diving trip, and we pay for the trip and then pay for the park fee as a completely separate entity. Snacks. It's quite a laid-back type of place. Apparently you can smoke on the island, but there's a designated area for doing such, and if you do smoke outside that, you will be fined heftily. Only certain types of sun cream are allowed here as well, so do bear that in mind if you are thinking of coming here and spending any time here. Do your research and make sure you get the appropriate protection. Ouch. We've got plenty of huts built on stilts up into the hill. And last time I was here, this area was covered in tents, and now it seems to have been cleared, so I'm not quite sure whether that's a permanent or a temporary thing. And we've got accommodation over on this side as well. A beautiful canopy of trees. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, so last time I stayed here, I think you can see where the tents were, these lines here. There were all rows and rows and rows of tents. Now these have all gone. Not sure whether it's a seasonal thing or a recent change. Don't know. And this opens up into an absolutely beautiful, stunning lagoon, which I'm going to walk you through in a moment. This is what you call picture postcard paradise. Now that's just a little bit special. And in low tide, you can actually get access to these rocks over here. Well, someone's definitely camping. Got quite a lot of guys from my boat here.
Yeah, I think this one, yeah, the leaves get from stand now. It's so hot.
Oh, the water is so warm.
Even you would like to make a photo shoot.
Everyone's looking at the little crabs. There's little hermit crabs everywhere.
Yeah, then I come with the guidebook.
That is just beautiful. I've You're back here a few times and it just takes your breath away every time you come. And same again on this side. On low tide, you can actually just walk around these rocks and get to the beach on the other side of the island. Got a lifeguard on board here. There we go. One last pan, I'll leave you to it. So thanks for watching.